Ever heard of a president who washed his own clothes? India had one, and he helped write our constitution too. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was one such person. Born in 1884 in Bihar's Siwan district in a modest Kayas family, he was a brilliant student from the start. He once impressed an examiner so much during his entrance exam that the examiner famously remarked, "The examinee is better than the examiner." Rajendra Prasad went on to earn multiple degrees in law, economics, and history, but academics were just one part of his legacy. By the 1920s, he had left a promising legal career to join Mahatma Gandhi in the freedom struggle. He served jail time, led satyagrahas, and later became president of the Indian National Congress. As Congress president, he helped unite ideologically divided camps within the party. But it wasn't just politics. When a devastating earthquake hit Bihar in 1934, Dr. Prasad was in jail. He requested temporary release, rushed to the ground, and led relief efforts himself, cooking food, sleeping in tents, and raising funds for the victims. After independence, he played a key role in the Constituent Assembly, which drafted the constitution. But when it came time to choose the first president of India, he wasn't interested. He said, "I want to serve, not rule." It was Nehru and Sardar Patel who convinced him to accept, because the people trusted him. Dr. Prasad served as a president for 12 years, the longest in Indian history, and yet he lived simply. Even in Rashtrapati Bhavan, he washed his own clothes, avoided luxury, and followed a strict daily routine. After retiring in 1962, he returned to Patna, wrote his memoirs, and lived modestly until his death in 1963. Dr. Rajendra Prasad remains a timeless symbol of integrity, humility, and public service.